Good morning. This is Mario Quintero of Mario's Home News, the one-stop shop. Today is Referral Partner Wednesday, and I'm here with Dr. Fonseca, my personal dentist, and that of many of my associates, and also my family members. Good morning, Dr. Fonseca. Thanks for the time that you're going to take with us here today.
Good morning, Mario. It's good to see you again.
Same here. Dr. Fonseca, can you tell our audience basically what are the biggest differences from when you started practicing 30 years ago to today?
Well, it's a big difference. I've been a dentist for over 30 years and I've seen a lot of changes. Like when I began as a dentist, at that time they were doing fillings that were black, that were silver fillings, amalgams. Now we do white fillings that blends completely with your tooth. Nobody can tell you have a filling except you and me. Another difference is now we use digital technology for taking x-rays. Not only you can see a better image, but it's less radiation exposure, so that keeps the patients safe. And even with the impression materials, we used to put like a big glob of stuff in your mouth. Now we use cameras digitally copy the teeth and make it not only more accurate but more pleasant to the patient.
So technology has played a tremendous role in your practice.
Yeah, it's incredible, the technology that changes every day. And I enjoy dentistry, so I keep taking courses on the weekly and monthly basis to keep me current, with the new procedures and new equipment and technologies that are available.
So besides the standard procedures of annual checkups, cleanings, cavities, fillings, what are some of the specialties that you provide your patients?
Well, like I say, I take a lot of continuing education courses, and that makes me a better dentist. So I'm able to provide some specialist services like dental implants, root canals, even orthodontic treatment, that now we can do it without braces. We do it Invisalign, where you can wear a clear aligner and make it not only more comfortable, it's invisible. So for adults, it's great because some adults don't want to have braces or wires on their mouths, but they can have a good result with no braces.
Okay. Now, you're one of the few, or if any, that I've ever heard of that has 7-day-a-week emergency services as a dentist. Can you tell the audience a little bit about that specialty?
Yes, I'm proud of that. I believe I'm the only dentist in Miami that provides that service, and always available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And the reason that I provide the service, even though it's inconvenience for me and my family, is because I know what the patient goes through when they have a dental emergency, either pain or bleeding, or swollen. It's one of the worst experiences that a patient can have. So I want to make it better for them. So I'm always available, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You call me and I'll be seeing you within the hour.
So what's the phone number that they would call for an emergency situation?
I have an emergency phone number that they can call, which is 786-805-0060. But even better than that, because nobody remembers phone numbers, all you have to remember is my website, which is mydentisinmiami.com. When you go into mydentisinmiami.com, you get all the information about me, and there's actually a direct click that you can touch on the website. It communicates you with me at that time. And that's another difference of me. When somebody calls me on my emergency line, I answer the phone myself. 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon. There's no other people go through it. Answering machine is answering service. I don't use those intermediaries because then you lose some of the communication. I answer the phone myself. Thank you.
So yesterday, while you were finishing my crown, great job. The bite is perfect.
Thank you.
Everything went well. No pain. You told me about the expansion that you're currently working under. Can you tell us a little bit where you're expanding to and how that's going to work into your operation?
I'm very excited about that. Like I said, I love dentistry, and I keep doing dentistry. And I'm expanding now to Brickell, which is, in my opinion, one of the best areas in Miami. And we're going to have an office that's going to be incredible in technology, because it's going to have the latest dental equipment, the latest dental materials. We're going to provide a great service, and we're going to continue providing the 24 hours emergency services. Brickell area is a 24-hour city. It's like New York, like Manhattan, and we want to incorporate our services and our technology to that area. So yeah, I'm extremely excited about that. And hopefully in a couple of months, we're gonna be there.
Where exactly on Brickell are you going to be located?
We're gonna be at the Infinity Brickell building, which is a high-rise tower, 55 floors, great building. And we're gonna have valet parking. It's gonna be very convenient for our patients.
Okay. Once again, before we start wrapping this up, how do patients get in touch with you? What are the best ways for a patient to get in touch with you?
Okay, during regular hours, the best way is to call my office directly. That's 305-222-9899. They can talk to my secretary, Delis, which is great, and make an appointment or have any questions answered. If it's after hours, the best way is, to go into my website, mydentistinmiami.com, and there they can, see my emergency phone number and call me directly. I'll be glad to answer their phone call. mydentistinmiami.com is the best way to get in touch with me in case you don't remember the rest of the information, because everything is there.
So for those of you who don't know, I'm a big chicken when it comes to go to the dentist. I am someone who panics. I shake in the chair. Dr. Fonseca is so gentle, even for a person like me, that I actually enjoy coming here because he really puts me at ease with all the different services that he's providing for me over the years, and especially right now. In fact, I'm coming back tomorrow to handle a couple of cavities, but his touch is very sensitive, and he is an expert in dealing with people like me that are really afraid to go to the dentist. So I'm speaking from personal experience. As we wrap this up, once again, Mario Quintero with marioshomenews.com. Highly recommend Dr. Fonseca for all your dental needs. And now, besides being in West Kendall, he will be moving to Brickell and be operating both offices at the same time. So I highly encourage you to give him a call and start your relationship with Dr. Fonseca. Thank you very much, Doctor. Appreciate it.
To be your dentist.
Thank you.
Thank you.